Carson Beck, the Keelan Marion, touchdown, Dade County. You hit, man?
Yes, he can.
Yeah, here's the AT&T connected cam. And Chris, I want you to watch the safety because he gets caught up with his eyes in the wrong spot. You said it was a bust. See how he comes down to help out on the tight end? Well, when he does that, now you got a problem. Nobody's protecting the backside in the middle of the defense. Nobody's there. So it's a bust in coverage. The safety comes down to help out on that tight end, but nobody's protecting the middle of the field. You see Marion, he wasn't the primary receiver, but Carson Beck does a good job as he rolled to his right, looking back, found him, and then makes an easy throw for the touchdown. It's just a matter of locating the bust by that Ole Miss defense.